In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change key in Soundation Studio. We're focusing on MIDI clips, which means the notes are editable and can be moved to a new key without affecting the audio quality or timing. Start by opening the MIDI clip you want to change. In your timeline, double-click the MIDI region. This opens the note editor where you'll see a piano roll on the left and your notes arranged across a grid. If you don't see the notes, make sure you've double-clicked the correct clip and that you're zoomed in enough to view its contents clearly. Next, select all the notes in that clip so they move together. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac. You should see every note highlight at once. If only some notes are selected, click somewhere empty in the editor to deselect, then try the shortcut again. Selecting everything ensures all chords, melodies, and harmonies shift by the exact same amount, keeping your musical relationships intact. Now change the key by shifting the pitch of the selected notes. Click and drag the highlighted notes straight up to transpose higher, or straight down to transpose lower. Each step you move typically equals one semitone. For example, if you want to go from C major to D major, move everything up 2 semitones. From C to E is up 3 semitones, and from C to F is up 5. Keeping your mouse movement vertical avoids accidental timing changes. You're only changing pitch, not rhythm or note length. A few helpful tips as you drag. Watch the note names on the piano roll to count semitones accurately. If you overshoot, simply drag back or use undo. Transposing preserves the groove, so all rhythms and relative intervals remain the same. You're just lifting or lowering the entire musical idea. If your instrument has a limited range, listen for notes that sound unnaturally thin or don't play. Pull the selection slightly back within the comfortable range if needed. Also remember, this only affects the MIDI clip you've opened. If your project includes multiple MIDI parts, repeat the same selection and drag process on those clips so the whole song lands in the new key together. That's all there is to it. Open the MIDI clip, select all notes, and drag them up or down to the pitch that matches your target key. With this approach, you can quickly adapt a melody, harmony, or full arrangement to fit a vocalist's range or match another track. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating in your new key.